In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Want to show your iPhone screen on your television or computer? Screen mirroring is built right into iOS, and it works better than you'd expect. Screen mirroring is perfect for showing photos to a group, presenting from your phone, or just enjoying videos on a bigger screen. The good news is it's built into every modern iPhone. The easiest way is using AirPlay if you have an Apple television or AirPlay compatible smart television. Just swipe down to open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and select your television from the list. Your entire iPhone screen will appear on the television in seconds. But what if you don't have an Apple television? No problem. Many smart TVs now support AirPlay directly. Samsung, LG, Sony, and others. Look for the AirPlay logo on your television or in its app store. Once enabled, your television will show up in your iPhone screen mirroring options. For computers, it's a bit different. On Mac, you can use QuickTime Player. Connect your iPhone with a cable, open QuickTime, choose New Movie Recording, then select your iPhone as the camera source. This gives you widescreen mirroring with no lag. On Windows, you'll need third-party software like Lonely Screen or a Power Mirror. These create a virtual AirPlay receiver on your computer, so your iPhone thinks it's connecting to an Apple television. Here's a pro tip. Screen mirroring can drain your battery quickly, especially if you're mirroring video content. Keep your phone plugged in for longer sessions. If screen mirroring isn't working, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and that AirPlay isn't blocked by your router's firewall. Sometimes restarting both devices helps establish a fresh connection. Thanks for watching.